What's up, family? Daily stock lesson number 63. Free cash flow, the lifeblood of great companies. Definition, plain English. Free cash flow, FCF, is a cash company has left after paying to run and grow the business. Simple idea. Money left over can be used to pay dividends, buy back shares, reduce debt, invest in future growth. This is real money, not accounting profit. Simple example. A company generates $1 billion in operating cash. It spends $400 million on equipment and buildings. Free cash flow $600 million. That $600 million is the true financial power. This is how you break down balance sheets. Understanding what you're looking for. If companies have cash, then they have power. Why this matters. Profits can be manipulated by accounting. Cash is harder to fake. Strong free cash flows means a company can survive downturns, can reward shareholders, doesn't rely on constant borrowing. This is why elite investors focus on cash, not just earnings. How investors actually use free cash flow. Dividend safety. Dividends are the safest when backed by free cash flow, not just earnings. Growth companies with rising free cash flow can expand faster, acquire competitors, innovate without debt. See, if you got a big treasure chest and you got a competitor company that's small, you can just buy it if you got free cash flow. This is the lifeblood of a great company. Value insight. Some investors compare stock price versus free cash flow to find undervalued businesses. Common beginner mistakes. Do not only look at revenue or EPS. Do not ignore cash flow statements. Do not trust stock story with no real cash. No cash flow, fragile business, no matter the hype. Pro tip. Smart investors ask, is free cash flow positive or growing? Is growth coming from real operations, not borrowing? Does free cash flow cover dividends and debt comfortably? The strongest companies produce consistent excess cash. The key is, family, earnings tell a story. Free cash flow tells the truth. Follow the cash and you'll understand the business. Like, subscribe, follow for daily wealth lessons. I love y'all. Peace.